Hi everyone, and welcome to this first edition of my new recordings for educationecosystem.com. We're going to start with how to build on Facebook's JavaScript SDK, software development kit, and tying pages and page interactions with the Steem blockchain. I'm Decimal, and I'll be doing this session with you. Over the course of this session, we'll look at how to pull information from Facebook and their pages and interactions with pages. We'll then look at how to send those interactions off to the Steem blockchain and save them in various forms. So hopefully this gives a lot of exposure to pages and users on Facebook to interact with each other and get rewards in the Steem blockchain. There are some limitations to the Steem blockchain, for instance, how often we can post a root post. So we'll look at how to get around those, how to time those, the execution of those over the course of 5-minute intervals, and all that fun stuff. So thanks for joining me. This is the 18th of June 2019, and we'll have all these sessions and this project recorded by the end of the day. So thank you very much, and I hope to introduce you to a little bit about the Facebook API and software development kit, as well as the API for Steem and Steemit, which is a blockchain on the internet that deals with content. Cheers. Bye. Well, hello, people of the internet. On our first project here, we're looking at how to build on Facebook's JavaScript software development kit and tying pages and page interactions with the Steem blockchain. So the very first thing we're going to need to do is set up our project environment. There's a couple of assumptions that we made already to be able to start this work in the first place. So you're going to have a Facebook account. Let's go to my Facebook. Actually, let's look at Facebook developers. You're going to have a Steem account. So let's look at Steemit.com. I actually have a bunch of Steemit accounts, so I'm going to use one as an example that don't mind sharing the password for, which is here, because I have about 20 Steemit accounts. So Facebook for developers is right here. I'm already logged in probably. Steemit, I'm probably logged in, but we're going to log out and log into my new one. And these are the assumptions anyways, that you have Facebook and you have Steemit. Come on, computer. There we go, log out. Log in. It's probably not going to let us log in with this key. It's going to ask us to get a private posting key. Oops. Log in. Yeah, view my posting key on Steem. Am I logged in? Logged in as somebody? No, let's log into this. It's another one of my accounts. Let's log in. Is this? This. So they redesigned Steemit to have two front ends really local on it, and then the content marketplace. And I agree to all of the terms of service. Don't need to save that in LastPass. I want keys and permissions. And I want the posting key. Your private posting key is this. It's good. So now we can use that on Steemit to log in. Try again. And I don't need to save that LastPass. I kind of wanted to save it there. That's okay. And then we have our Facebook for developers, my apps. I already have an app apparently. Let's create an app. That's my name. Steemit integration. That's a fine contact email. So I'm typing my Facebook. I'm not a robot, Facebook. Silly Facebook. So as far as our setting up the environment, we want to make sure that we have Node.js and npm installed, which is Node Package Manager. This is the server-side JavaScript that I'm most familiar with. I already have it installed on this Windows, but let's just take a look at how we would get it and install it if it wasn't already installed. I'm going to go here. Kind of look for your operating system as soon as it loads. LTS or current doesn't really matter, there's not that much of a difference, but LTS is recommended for most users. Here's my Windows installer, MSI. I would download whichever processor architecture I have, and whichever operating system I have. They even support ARM for Linux, which is great. Your old Raspberry Pi or your phones would like that. Most phones, some tablets. Here's my installer. It's going to ask me if I want to update or remove my Node installation, probably. Which is okay. Come on, Node. This is not the fastest computer in the world, but it does the trick. I got an email. Somebody wants to sell me a car. That's okay. I'd rather make videos. Come on, download. I wonder if it's done in the good old operating system. Come on, computer. I know this is hard work. I wonder if OBS is dropping any frames. Doesn't appear so. CPU's 15%. That's good. It doesn't want to open my folder. It's the downloads folder. Oops, I did not mean to open that again. Downloads. I really want to view by details. I'm going by date. Ignore my old snag at download, which I super got legitimately. And it doesn't want to sort my downloads by date. Nodes in here. Oops, not network. Node. No, OBS. Node. Yeah, well, I have a second one here. I guess I can run this. Or install this. Preparing to install is the next step. It's gonna die here because I already have it installed probably. But you would just go through all these screens. There's no spyware involved here, so you can just hit next, 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 next. For Linux, it's a little bit different. For Mac, it's a little bit different. But on Windows, it's really, really simple. It actually adds it to the path and everything as well. So I can change, repair, or remove here, but you would just go forward with the installation, and that would give you Node.js. And you can see if you have Node by running your old trusty CMD as an administrator on Windows, and run node-v. It's going to output the version, npm-v is going to output the version of your Node package manager. So I am ready to rock here as long as npm gives me a version. Or maybe it doesn't do that with that. Yes. Oh, there it is. It gives me 6.9.0. Good stuff. So what's next on our requirements? Our project environment. Steam.js library. So I guess I'm going to go ahead and make a directory. Don't know how to do it through command prompt. We're going to go on our C drive and make a directory for Facebook, Steemit integration. I'm going to go into that directory, CBC, Facebook. We're going to go npm I Steem. I think it's Steem. I don't know if it's Steem. Let's find out. Node. Let's just do npm Steem. It is Steem, I think. Looks that way. So npm I Steem. Actually, I want to do --save. That's going to put it in the project package.json file for me, which is going to be helpful when I upload to GitHub. We should actually make a GitHub project, and I should change my requirements to say that we're going to go ahead and make a GitHub project. How do I edit project? There we go. Project outline. Setting up. Edit. 3. GitHub repo. 4. Facebook app. 5. Facebook JS library. So I guess we already made the Facebook app here. I just haven't selected a scenario. Integrate Facebook Live. I'm going to start with the Pages API. Can I do both of these? Yes, I can. Come on. Anyway, we want to install Steemit and then go on our GitHub and make a new repository. I should call it Facebook Steem integration. Make a new repository. I already have 94 repositories. We're going to make a new one. We're going to leave it without a README. I'm going to open up my Notepad++, start putting files in here, like to integrate Facebook pages plus interactions with Steem API in order to generate revenues via Steem blockchain social rewards. Then we're going to go ahead and throw our project link in here. How come I don't have the whole project link? Projects. My projects. And how to integrate. There we go. There's the whole link. We'll throw that in our file that we just created. Whoops. gonna save this as readme.md. I'm gonna throw this in our new folder. Our new Facebook Steem integration folder. Already have node modules and package.log, which means I need another file. We're gonna put node modules in here. We're gonna save this as .getignore so that it doesn't upload our handy files there. We're gonna go back to our command prompt. We're in the right folder, so all I need is git add everything, git init rather, and then git add. And we're gonna do git commit -f first commit. Then we're gonna do git remote add origin, just like it says. And we're gonna do git push -u origin master. And it already has my login information, I think. And my sister wants me to feed everybody. Alright, sounds good. So we should refresh this. We should have readme and nothing else. Maybe a package.json file and a getignore. But it did not upload our node modules folder, which is great. What are we doing next? Let's go back to our handy project. Setting up project environment. Facebook app, Facebook JS library is the next one. So let's go back to our Facebook page. I've used 0% of my limit. Account kit, messenger, audience, SDK, marketing API, app center, web payments. There should be a way in here for me to look at my Facebook support, Facebook platforms, JavaScript SDK, web SDKs. JavaScript, how long have we been on video here? Just over 10 minutes. Quick start. Learn how to use JavaScript API. JSDK rather. This computer is really slow. Okay. Enables you to use Facebook login. That's exactly what we want to do. First we need basic setup. We don't want to use it on the front end. We want to use it as a node module. So let's look at node module Facebook SDK. Facebook SDK. Live video. Is there an official one? I don't know which one I'm going to use. Which one's best? Which one was updated last year, 3 years ago? Let's see about these ones. All I really want to do is use the Facebook SDK. So GitHub.com. Last published was a year ago. That's terrible. We might have to try a few of these until we get one that works. Last published 2 years ago. So it looks like this one is going to be the winner. No, let's just see if it actually does what we want to do. Connect is require connect Facebook SDK. So this looks like it's pushing to which incoming usage do we request? Standalone usage. Does it do what we need it to do? Test cert, test key, tests. Let's look at examples. Example. It's just a connect.js. My phone is going crazy. We're just going back to that right now. Facebook Connect. Use an API here. Also that not me. Well, let's see what happens if we do this then. New file, app.js. Whoops. Dash save. Okay, so what I really want then your app ID, your app secret. Somewhere in here to find that. Setting roles, Facebook login, status and development. App ID is right here. App ID, app secret. How do I get my secret? Settings. Basic. Settings and basic. Settings and basic. And like I said, we might have to run this on SSL. Is this gonna do what I need it to do? I really need my secret. How do I find my secret? Steemit, app ID, app secrets right here from below. App secret, app secret. Show. Show. Come on, app secret. Show. Can I not show this? Is it to verify your business? Unverified. Okay, I'd really like you to show me this app secret. Are you dying for a reason? Are you dying? Come on, Facebook. Oh, there we go. Please enter your password. You can go away. For your security. What if I know my password for Facebook? Come on, computer. You can do better than this. You can do better than this. Come on now. Just please let me enter my password. Please enter my password. Come on, computer. Okay, let's try this again. I already saved it, I guess. Come on, password. Come on, there we go, submit. Cancel, 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 cancel. Okay, there's an app secret. Alright, nobody steal my app secret, because it's very, very special. Your app secret. Okay. Use function rec resnext get session load me or an API error has occurred. Send listening for well, let's see what happens. Maybe I have to install Connect. Oh, it's still installing the Facebook SDK. No wonder that was so slow. What we were trying to accomplish there. Well, let's look at what else is on our list here for stuff we need to install. Where's my stuff? Where's my stuff? Notepad++. We already have. That's this text editor that I was using. Let's close out of Skype and see if we can save some resources. See you at Skype. So this is Notepad++. It highlights stuff according to the language I'm using, which is great. You can find it by looking at Notepad++. Download. If you're using Linux, I recommend Sublime Text or some kind of advanced text editor. There's a whole bunch. Here's where to download our current version of Notepad++. Our current version. So you install the installer here that'll put it on your system. You can also get the minimalist package or the zip packages to install that. Oh, it's doing stuff. Yay. Okay, so npm I connect -save. Let's see if we can I that. I is short for install. It's doing stuff like that. We need you to install all this stuff. Yeah, it's doing stuff. It's doing it so fast. Okay, so node app JS connect.favicon is not a function. Facebook SDK no connect is not a function. npm root connect. Maybe it's a package in that Facebook one, and we don't have to worry about it. Connect.favicon. Sure, not favicon too. on what we need. Oops, the wrong one. That's not what we wanted to do anyway. We wanted to do this. So we don't need connect at all. I want to use a standalone. Steal this and throw that here. Get rid of this. Your app ID. Oops. I wonder what it's actually called there. No. Well, it loaded my app. That's good. Facebook. I wonder if I can do me. Active access token. Let's actually try this other thing. Let's connect. Connect a cookie parser is not a function. A body parser is not a function. Well, that looks like it works. I wonder what's going on here. Listening for HD requests on port 3000. I gotta log in first. Okay, we did log in, guys. Console.log.me. So it's not actually doing anything with the login code. I wonder if there's a better example. So it wants us to use, I guess we need to log. Maybe we don't need Node at all, to say the truth. Because if we just use their, let's try their client-side one. So we're going to do, let's do search Facebook login, that's what happens. Okay, iOS, Android websites, or mobile sites. Maybe this is a better idea, because it says right on the package that it's unmaintained. Login. Get code. Include the JavaScript SDK. Okay, well, Steemit English, good enough. We don't need public mode. Step 2. Write out for the opening body tag. HTML. Head. Body. And here. Places go where you want to plug in notes page. Okay, we're going to save this as index.html. We're going to open this. Maybe we need to serve it on a web server, and I think we need SSL. I think I have a web server on something. Continue with Facebook. That did nothing. Soon stop working on HTTP. Failed to execute post message. Your target origin provided. Okay. So steal this and go into our. So I gotta change my project. My third page. My project environment. Web server. we'll cover how to download WAMP server now, which is it's a kind of web server. It's like LAMP, only you have it on Windows. Let me get rid of all this stuff. Delete. Web server. So you just go here, you download WAMP. Yes, let's run it. Okay, you hit start using web server. So instead of running Node on server, we're going to download this and download directly. We're going to run it on a web server, running on localhost. Hopefully this works. It's starting services and stuff as we speak. You need VC redistributable, whichever one it tells you to here on this first link that I clicked on. Because the Facebook JavaScript library works on client side, so you download this and you run this and you'd install that, and then you'd go here to SourceForge. And in SourceForge, you'd want to download web server according to which one is for you, because there's a couple, depending on x86 or 64. I already have it downloaded and installed. It's just having trouble starting here. Starting slowly. It's orange now, meaning one of 3 services are running. So I don't know which services are running. Well, let's take a look at, I want to report this along and stuff. Apache. 80. It is on 80. So if I just go to localhost, if that Apache is up, not local Bitcoin, silly. Localhost, not 3000, silly. 80, which is the same as localhost. Go. You see our Facebook login button, and it should not give us an error. I don't see Facebook login though. Oh, here it is. Failed to load the resource. So I don't have a favicon, but that's fine. Our login button is not working. But not doing anything. What does it say it should do? No. Open. C. WAMP. 64. www. Index. Facebook login button. Continue with. I'm already connected, so if I reload localhost. Alright, well, I'm already logged in. Continue with Facebook again. Apparently I am already logged in. Facebook login button. Well, I mean, we can cover this in the next session, how to actually use our login stakes. It says here that we're already logged in, which means that that is accomplished what I wanted to accomplish. So then we have to just call a function here with a trigger in JavaScript to do stuff like log API/me to our good old, or if I can do it here, API, no, Facebook, no, FB, come on, come here. API, yeah, /me, undefined. Well, we'll cover it in the next session here. Expression is a type undefined non-object. Oh well, let's cover it in the next session here, how to actually get stuff out of Facebook. That was how to set up your environment, and we will be back after the break. Bye now.
Well, my mic was just not listening for those few minutes that I recorded on how to get started, including JavaScript and modifying the non-user jQuery and getting our login status for Facebook. We figured out that this was going to do it, and it's going to log you for connected here. So what I want to do for connected is I want to hide our login button. Let's go turn it off here. I'm going to do that. How am I going to do that? How am I going to tell me? Hide it. Let's try that. So we're going to go back to our page here after connecting jQuery and trying to hide the login button. No, I broke something. That's that's because I used a hashtag instead of a dollar sign. Facebook is not defined. Facebook should be defined. Yay, it's trying to load our FB before it loads our FB, which is not a good thing. So we're going to use document.ready to load our JavaScript when the document is ready. Just like this. Which is another jQuery tip. And it's a good thing we're using JavaScript for this. Okay, let's try it now. Dollar is not defined at index. jQuery. No, I don't know local jQuery. I want jQuery MSC. Content delivery network. And localhost. Index. So FP is still not defined. Let's just put a little automatic projects. And that one takes the FP. Let's just use a flat pattern. 1 second on that and try that. So I guess we are already logged in. No, we're not. We will be after we log in. So now that we're logged in, we should see no login button. That's good stuff. Now, how do I load from Facebook? Yes, okay. Facebook Graph. Yes, okay. What's going on? What if I focus on here? Quick start reference. Quick start. Quick start reference. So we should set up. Well, we didn't do any of this. Did we load any? No? Let's do that, yeah. Yeah, we did. Whoops. I need my app other than Facebook. Send me some message. Yes, I did keep it wrong. Yes. Yesterday I was off camera. Come on, 4, 6. Fish. That button. Click the button. Okay. Are we still recording my voice here? Yes, we are. Good stuff. So my app ID is this. Now what do we do? We want to do other stuff. Next steps. Okay, set up or usage of this. We go share dialog, Facebook login. We really want to do Facebook.UI. Facebook.UI. Facebook.login. We already have that covered. Facebook reference. Reference. Really what we want is the pages stuff in it, links, but we'll get that soon. We'll get the other delete init API, make it call me graph API. So add it. Because what we really want to do is after we're logged in and connected and stuff, we want to do and then hopefully it's going to tell us to do it. So not click it. Click. Overview. Usage. Graphics Explorer. Host URL, HTTP access open, that's how they're going to work. More on there. Doesn't cost. There we go. Also cost there. Okay, let's just do like JavaScript. Working. Let's see what I have. How long I've been on these? ID, name, you're done. Well, put my name. That's what we were looking for. ID, name, gender. Did you put my gender? Why not? We'll look for likes, right? So, let's look, graphic UI, login status, agent, likes. Emails. What's important? Okay, the featured person may be a guy. Is that, do I have that in my registration? I don't want page ID, right? I want somebody's things. Open photo. In this reference refers to both directions called graphic photos. I really want to just okay, let's look at Stack Overflow. Stack Overflow, get user likes. User likes. Okay. Come on, book list. So I'm gonna have permission for this. I'm gonna have to figure out a way to add permissions to the graph request. Come on, book list. My computer is really slow. I did not mean to put that up. Book list. Local. Friends and stories. Data array. That's it. Okay. object lights, media lights. Access to the lights. So I'm going to do let me just do my secret to get this. And this will reach one of those. Main branch on the branch up on the level past the secret. Initially. Right on time. Right on time. Well, let's see what happens here. See if we can get some cleanliness. We've been calling this thing wrong. Nope, alright. We also use my app, that's not what I want. Oh, we'll get me eventually. Ready? I got nothing really good. How can we use anything? I think I'll log in Steem. Hmm. Okay, this is a login by JavaScript instead of the button. Style of the node. I don't need this button. Use another function. Hold on, yes. Select. 2, 3, 4, 5. Login. So we got stuff. What did we get? An array of the second array one. So that likes. We don't care about further using that. But I got likes. So as I expected, they are the pages that I like. 25 of them. How am I? What? Like the word. Is that ABS working? There we go. If we get I don't know how many actually like though. Can we find more likes? You know how to use the exit of now. Using the graph, maximum limit 15 is 52. Exactly what we want. That's exactly what we want. Okay, data paging. Limit 300 Now we're not going to care about paging once we get the limit to the point where the law is going to have. No, it's not doing it again. Okay. That's completely limit. Must include limit. Come on, computer. Okay, limit individual fields. Rate limits. How does paging work? Come on, computer. You can do this. I think. So we don't really need to get login status anymore. We don't need to find login. Alright, maximum limit, how to page anything. How to page anything. limit. I don't know what that. I don't know what's funny. Comma. Right, there's a little card seconds for login, and then once that's done, MSC without the time. I don't know if that is. I don't know what that is. There we go, 50 now. So limit 100 because we have all of our results. Oh. Just for those of them. So there is no page after. So in our app, we're going to limit some 100 results again. So here's all the pages we like. Now what we're going to do. Like, how are we going to do this? Because if I go to Steemit, I can make one post every 5 minutes. One post per 5 minutes. What we want to have is one post per page and one comment per like. Comments per happen every 3 seconds, 5 seconds, whatever. Or I could like it for uploading it. But that point. For like, that is 3 seconds. But because we want multiple Facebook users to use it, we want one post per page per general. Because we need to track posts. Now we can do that using Steemit tags. So this is 24 minutes. But I think the next session will be one post per page. Good enough. That's going to be our next session. We're actually going to run out of time, so what else can we do then with the Facebook SDK? Facebook developers. I wonder if that's even possible. Okay, Facebook, get photos. Yeah, user photos. User photo edge, user picture. User ID photos. So what's my user ID? I was looking at it earlier. I think you can find it by going to your profile. Here's my text ID, but we want my visual ID. My number ID, my numeric ID. Facebook ID. That's probably the right thing. It's a graphic one. Let's try it. Because if we can build this also with photos, we'd just be laughing all the way to the bank. So, graphic down for JavaScript, user ID photos. Take that this, this, here, user ID. We have a really cool app. Response, not response by error. We got an error. Unsupported get request. So that's not my idea, guys. How to get my Facebook ID? The number of per sentences, the number of per sentences is 0. Find my Facebook ID. So I don't know where it is 0. Because we need to log in differently in order to get this. What user logins also, should it be me? Can I use me here? Okay. So in our index, we should grab Alright, I need scope. User data. User data. User photos. User photos. User photos. User photos. Let's try it now. We need the permissions to load our photos. In 5 seconds, we'll see a login dialog. Yes. Login. Nope, there's no permissions. No, I didn't get in there. Close. Requesting this permission requires that you submit your app for login. What we can't do. Login method. That's so sad. Create your submission. Select items page here. Category app icon. App icon. So I guess we could go into our desktop. Get it? That was before. Maintain aspect ratio. That was before. Wow. Save that. 1, 2. There you go. Choose a file. Digital. FB. Let's start here. Details. Slow. Okay, category. Find out more information about categories. Business and language. Education. Yeah. We'll pop up with the okay. Search method. So I don't know how long this is going to take me to go. Honestly, English. Focus me. I actually really want to have one for there. Contact information category. I already contacted actually. Use them. Company that owns you inside. And you can change. I don't know if I want to provide privacy. Let's see. Whoops. Why does it have a situation? It's game over. Run. Let me get it off one first. So, add platform, website, URL of your site. Actually, that's probably right. I already have some sites of this. I wonder what my IP is. Trying to get my domain to work. Good. Check your address phone. Alright. No names. Actually, no names. Nice. Nice. Nope. Get access to the server we host from. Nope. This looks much better. 5 seconds. There we go. So now I can get up here. Okay. Go to basic settings to configure content. Basic settings. Anyway, I think go over oops. Okay. What's that? Anyway, this might maybe be another session entirely. One part. do this in the night session because I have to take a break, and none of these sessions will be more than an hour anyway, so we will do that. Alright, hello internet fans. So we found out that we need an encrypted domain. Can we do it with Windows? Search on. So we need to encrypt our stuff. I guess we can't do it. Software, Apache, on Windows, non-Unix. Alright, so we can't do it. WAMP server. Come on, server. Wait. 64. Bit. Free. SSI. What's it do? Alright, here's a tutorial. Come on, tutorial. WAMP. So it's inside. Uncomment the following line. http://conf SSL. Anyway, I stopped talking about that. Sorry about that. Let's go to our downloads folder here and see if we have our unconfirmed CR download. It should be done in 16 seconds. We're going to run this tool for Windows verification for our SSL. And our SSL is beautiful. Look at this. Let's just start backwards. No problem. Know what we do? Yes, that's what I'm saying. Last one good. So I need to current one. Download the runtime. Thank you for downloading .NET 4.7.2. Thank you for downloading. And I ran it twice, and I ran it once, and I ran it twice, and I ran it I wish I had a frosty I'm probably pretty sure I can do this on my own. Let's without gap time. It's not running because VAMP server is not finding So I do have PHP Curl, I just don't have PHP Curl.dll. Uh, Why is this not installing yet? I don't really want to think of the well starting. I don't really just resolve. Well, there's our error message. We don't have a certificate. So what we need then is just a good. Yes, Alright, so my public IP is working. My domain is not working. No one also clicks loan respond there. I wonder if it's my file. Nope. Come on, domain. Well, it's still not working like that. It was before, but I think the trick is that they do like one of the ones that takes in that 7 was the delay. So let's start recording. Oh, it works on the IP. Let's see if it works on the main. Which one of these had that set up in the Linux? I don't know how aliases work, but that should probably work to redirect the traffic to the well-known folder. You know what? There's actually a different way that we can do this. Let's do the clarification DNS. Add a text record with this. So where's that go fine? Add a text record with this name host with this value and this TTI. And okay, let's do name sheet. Alright, should work. So that's first side. It's redirecting fundamental. Anyway, the reason we're doing all this is so that Facebook can find this as a secure domain, which is really annoying. There you go. Once again. So what is this? A text record name host. Wait, out of the my thing. There we go. That's right. There's the host. And the value. Yeah. Oh, we don't have something. Tag for host. Well, we have to wait a minute. Then, 1, 2, 3, 4, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. What did I say? Oh. So let's see. Let's see. I guess we have to wait. Well, I guess we just wait then. How long? I'm not sure. It said 1 minute. Apparently Windows does not let me have a file. Working! Working! Thank you! Well, something's here. Hey. Brings mod MD. I don't know. Because I didn't be able to call me. I wonder if this is all that. No. I don't think it's behind this. I wonder if I have it in the What if that was my problem the entire time? This stupid directly had the wrong stupid dash instead of stupid dot. Oh my lands, huh? Well, let's say one to the books then. Okay. Downloads. Okay, well, progress. Reload. I can't believe I did that for like half an hour. Anyway, so what did it say? You wanted server.co2. This will take a minute if you can do this live. Let's change it from 80 to 443. Here's the videos, man. Alright, how long do we have left that we're doing here? So we just set the keys. There's 5 minutes left in this video. We're not even going to submit the app, I don't think, in the next 5 minutes. But it logs me in. You do a Facebook login. I'll go on check. I'll go on check. It's doing exactly what we expected it to do. Now we can go back to our Facebook platform. And I'm going to cut this video short after the full 1 hour. So let's see the platform now. I need privacy policy. Okay. Simple view of privacy policy. So we need a privacy policy. Privacy policy. So I was like that. Okay, I think I have to cut this video short in 2 minutes. So what I'll do after this is just go ahead and add some permissions and see what you there. I have no idea how long this is going to take to get verified. App reviews are here. So I want user photos and user posts. Anyway, I'll keep on submitting this. I do want to request this one, and then I'm going to request this one. Okay, well, I'll cut the video short. Thanks, guys, and this is how to get SSL encryption and submit your app to Facebook, which is not quite complete, but I'll get it done shortly. Alright, people of the internet. So, unfortunately, my app is submitted in pending review. That's what we did in our last hour-long video, as well as get SSL, and I made a mistake for half an hour. However, how long does a Facebook app review take? This is going to say 2 or 3 days. I looked it up on our phone. Less than 1 week, usually takes only 2 or 3 days. So it doesn't look like we're going to have user doesn't look like we're going to have user me photos or me posts quite yet, but we can get it to work for page likes, and then basically the same steps apply to the other two as well. So we can come back to this, and you guys can do the rest of the work after your app gets reviewed to get these me photos and me posts. We should create ourselves a project outline for this part. Oh, we already have one. Part. Whoops. Let's just call this part 3. Call this part 4. So interacting with Steem. So what we need now is the Steem library. Steem library. Client side, yes. Steem is the official JavaScript library. So I wonder if I just download, do they have a min in here? Min, source, docs, install. Oops. Browser, Steem.min.js. Where are you, Steem.min.js? Okay. So we can throw this in our head. Now we have Steem. So now what do we do? Steem. No, we don't need that. We want Steem.api. Okay, Steam.js. And then what do we have to do? We're currently logging our response. So what we want to do is for our response. I'm gonna make a post. Whoops, we want HTTPS, yes. How do you make a phone? So we're on for another hour and a half or so. Come on now. Seeing that broadcast a comment. So for each one of these, I don't know how we accomplish this. Yeah, that'll probably work. Okay, so we want them delayed by 5 minutes because otherwise we can't post. Then we'll do this by 0.1 minutes. So this anyway, logs are 50 apps. So let's just that's it. I wanted to do. I guess I didn't load the server properly. I'd really like to show each of them individually. So just force to refresh. No, I didn't do it. Is mine right spot? New likes, new photos, new posts. Um, hmm. Okay, I'm getting something wrong here. I wonder what it's doing, and I don't mind. Let's do that. Which is 0 to 50 here. Nope, it's not wrong. Can't help being dumb. There we go. Look at this. Exactly. So I do is I want to make a post every 5 minutes with a deck. Along with this here somewhere. Yeah. Current offer for the breakfast show. I'm making the first time. Apparently, this guy. I'm not going to be for them. You're doing the wrong thing. It's gonna be data error dot. Okay. Data error dot B. See if we can pick the username. That would be named or done. It's a little bit better. So where is that from? It's a little bit better. Comments on post blog. Options. Maybe I just want additional things. On the metadata, so we want to make it do something. Just let's. So this all should go in a function, right? Okay, so I think that'll work. I think this is going to comment once every 5 minutes. We should look at how to. Maybe we should speed it a bit longer. We should look at how to. Search. We should look at how to like other people's stuff. Go out. Move the other guy. Just like tag. Okay. So the first time this runs, it'll make one post and not find anyone search by that name. And the second time this runs, it'll find the one that's about this tag, and then it's going to fail to make a post because it's not 5 minutes yet. So, I guess we just reload our page. Then we need to open our Steem. Page launch post. Sorry about that. Got to find some video. Well, I got broadcasted to the old, so this should have a post. As soon as the blockchain pick it up. For that person up. Neil start technology, that is okay. Facebook user Jerry found to like the page. Neil start technologies, article lunch with time 15. Now we're gonna go back and like that. So how do you like? I just clear my upload. Yeah, so script is now waiting 5 minutes. Oh no, our client side is serving 5 minutes. Yeah. So once we have our discussion, we're going to wait for it. I'm pretty sure this is going to be a discussion. Yeah, it'll work. That's fine. So we should now be uploading this one post that we're going to first. And it should fail to post the second time right there, message. Good job. did it find? Oh, I have an error there. You can get rid of some of the stuff that's just in this log. For instance, keywords that are without. Okay, let's try this again. For some reason it's not finding a post. Try to post this link back again. It's not a people thing. Somebody have to read this page over and also to read through all the ones. And it should find the ones that were already posted together if they're not trying to post the same one twice. This should be 100. For what? So we should tell depots that data are or it'll tell us what the title called is. So if the title is not equal to the title, whatever you mean. I messed up all of mine. That's what I read. Okay. There we go. Just doing stuff now. So let's look at links and let's create a new post. Uh-huh. Link dot author is undefined. You should have a second post on the same post. No, it's not. Okay, no, it should be like you the same exact second. It's not have a delay. You're not thinking of 3 seconds. Maybe. No, it's still not working. Link dot author is undefined. Lead author. Missing services. What did I do wrong here? I don't know what I did wrong. Oh, I had a comma in the wrong spot. How long is your video now? 57 minutes. Min don't and wrong. Okay, well, let's try. Anyways, we should all have votes now. After this 30 seconds. Things it seems I want 30. Can you do that? Oh, I forgot to do. So dumb. That's right down. Alright, should now have brought it on both of them. You don't think wait 30 seconds. No, it didn't. Yeah, it did. See, they're both uploaded with this green arrow. So that's a good start. Now I guess we just let it wait 5 minutes and see if it posts again. So I guess while we're waiting 5 minutes, I wonder how much longer videos we need to take because it's 4 hours. Alright. What we could do. No, I don't even know if it was trying to do the photos and posts. Let's go and skip for a second. Let's see what we can do with the for this video. I guess we just wait 5 minutes. Do you know when we started this? So ideally we're looking for a third post. And it's good, I noticed that it didn't post the same one twice. I wonder, can I look at, let's actually stop the I wonder if I can drop a link. Okay, here's one that we already posted. So give me the ID. Where's my technology? Hmm. I don't know how the link came from. No. Oh well. So we can let it run to see if it posts again, but let's just see if it posts again. Yeah, if it did post again. That's not good. At least we found a bug that we can fix. They posted the email spam technology again. Where did I go to the data? The data not named is not into. No. Okay. Means how much. Probably won't work quite yet. What was this, 3 minutes ago? So we have to wait a minute and then code and do this. That is going to open anyway. Gonna get rid of bugs first. Creative time. That's new JSON object. So I'm pretty sure this is going to look through the titles array. Which is going to function. Let's try it. So we're going to look through the titles array to see if it exists, if the name is in title. If it doesn't, then I'll make a post. And again, this is only going to work for the first 100 results for that Steemit search. But it works for our purposes. We can titles out of 10. I'm going to check the defender. Vendor bar. What's our video at? End is not functioning. That was it. I didn't have the wrong item. Object time. Well, it did something. One of us posted our third one. Next time was a 1500. That's good. It's supposed to be a brand new one this time. And it's linked all three of those. If I refresh this page, you should link the fourth one. You should see 4 items in our list. So, is this possible? Let's try this. Oh, well, got that one. That would look really well with these. It's not closing the page. So we found 4, so yeah, it's gonna like that fourth one. Probably after 20 seconds. It's not doing that better. There we go. I did it just now, I think. If I refresh this, we should see a light on our fourth one. And if we do, a light. And it's me! Alright, well that's it for this particular video. We might do a conclusion or somehow figure out a way to get another hour's worth of footage. Until then, thanks very much for joining me, and if this is the end of the series, I don't know if it will be, or this project rather, I do thank you very much for joining me and being a part of this learning curve. Again, we've gone ahead and collected a whole bunch of information from Facebook. Into the 2 days of Facebook, we've looked at collect as well user photos and user posts. But for now, we're looking at the ability to add pages to to Steemit. We actually have another part that we have to create here. We do have 15 minutes left, so let's see if we can. If we're another user and we already like that same page, oh, it is already doing. If the title doesn't include. Oh yeah, I guess it does it already. It's doing, if the title doesn't include, then don't do it again, which is exactly what we want. So if we're another user on Facebook and another user on Steemit, it's going to find this title and say, oh, we don't want to create that new post, but it's still going to like it again as a different user. I might pop on and do a different Facebook user and a different Steam user to get some more time on these videos. But thanks again, and we'll be in touch. And I should be back tomorrow with another video project for how to create a Twilio chatbot using SMS on Twilio and natural language toolkit on Python to identify sentiment and figure out different ways to escalate or tag support tickets that are sent to Zendesk. So that'll be covering the Twilio libraries and the Zendesk libraries, or just Zendesk integration for Twilio. I don't really know if there's a library involved, if it just does it automatically for us. Okay, thanks a lot, and we will be in touch. Alrighty, people of the internet. So for our final session, we're going to try and squeeze an hour out of, well, it's just too long to do like inside our session list. What are we on part? 4 part 5, so first we have to actually and then no. Alright, so I'm going to save that. So the first thing we need to do is find one of these pages that I already like pages. It's got to be one of the ones we're already using. Go back to this. Then we're going to open up and put on the incognito tab. Now I don't know if I have to add myself as a test user to even test the app with different Facebook accounts, so we'll come across that when we come across that. When we load the app with incognito. Yeah. Camera, Steemit. I just hope I didn't like 100 pages on my own Facebook, because that would not make bad. I'll talk about that. Your voice is something. Probably not supposed to be, the wallet or anything. Steem on fire. Steem on fire. I like the page. Now we must get our posting key. User version. Am I logged in? No. Log in. Log in. And we need to take over this. I agree. Here's the posting key. That was our request. now we should be able to load the site. Let's add 2 brand new users. Console. No, still in development mode. Switch to a registered test user. Alright, okay. So first we need to register a test user. So let's just go back to developer.com. We can go ahead and add myself as a test user. I'll change our description here on the project. Project outline, number 5. Alright, okay. Is it loading? Not enough notifications on that. Unapproved. Is it tell us why we're unapproved? Anyway, how do I add text? What my password is unapproved when we talk though. Inbox. Anyway, I'm trying to look for roles. Yeah. So I need a login button. I don't see why this. Add. So That's all. Made a random person, I think. Okay, let's log in with this. So apparently publishing to Steem is just an invalid use of the photos endpoint. Gosh darn it. What if this test user can't like in groups? Yeah, apparently not. So it's not gonna like anything, it's not gonna post anything. I don't know how to add myself as a test user. Right, roles. Business manager account, administrators, developers, testers. Here we go. I knew there's a way. Where there's a will, there's a way. Jared downstairs. Done. Gosh darn it, I have to put our username. Yes. Jared not done. Good enough. Apparently moving it to another one. This is a lot better. Jared not done. Because it tells me that you need a username. No testers for this app. You have no tester. You get something, blah blah blah. I have a pending test result thing. How do I accept it? Yeah, so I want to confirm. And the users, zero active to monthly users. We accepted this request, so now I can go to the airdrop.fund and log in. So this should yeah, we can now continue Jared, which is good. We're tester. We've got stuff in our data array. We've got the sheet termites results, and we should like one of these because we're also a fan. We did like something. We like two things. No, we like one thing and we made a comment, I think. And we made our own post for one page that I like. Let's see if that's true. Let's see if we did the like. So we did computer stuff. Something that I like on my Facebook. If I go back here, I should see there's now another like on one of these, which will be absolutely true.
Yeah, so I want to confirm.
There are 2 likes on the next housewives of Hudson County. That's good stuff. So I think it works the way we expected. You could repost the next housewives of Hudson County and it liked it twice. And see who liked it. No, I can't. You didn't care. That's fine. 2 votes. Yep, that's us. Alright, good stuff. So, in conclusion, we made a Facebook app that ties into Steemit and creates these posts like this for each page that I like. And because it doesn't repost the same page more than once, out of the last 100 results anyway, we can page that afterwards and make it more than 100 results and they get all of them. It won't repost the same one twice, but it'll just like it. So the idea is that you can make an integration or maybe even a Facebook overlay that goes ahead and votes on these things while you vote. I wonder if that's possible. Something we could do in a short amount of time. I wonder, Facebook UI. Facebook UI. No, that's not good. Because if we had a Facebook UI, an Android one. If we had a UI, we could probably get approved for user photos and user. We could probably get an interface for getting our user photos and our user posts approved by Facebook apps. By the way, you could extend this application to work also with. No, we don't really want to edit that file. To extend this repository, one minute of time for user photos. so where's my readme.md? Here it is. So we want to throw our, we actually need two break lines here. My readme, I'm going to throw my YAMP64 www index privacy into my repo. So now we have our GitHub repo. Our directions and our extending directions. And I'll share this with everyone so that they can also get the benefit of how to extend this forward here. Okay. They have their own Git, which is great. Wonderful. I wish I had my own programmatic Git. Okay, so we don't actually need for that. We don't need all this. Now we should have some project files. What are my credentials? What have I used there? I have no idea what my login is. Oh well, I guess. We'll figure out how to do that in the future. Anyway, that's it. In summary, we created the Facebook app. We pushed stuff to the repo, and we're able to create Steem root posts for our different pages, and then like them ones that we have in common. In theory, what would happen is if you had Steemit accounts that had any voting weight, they would give some additional payout for the Steemit post over the next 7 days. And then the more people you have using the app, the more that you reward these pages, and whoever posts them first gets the reward. Which is kind of cool because it gives you the drive to adopt the app first and like more pages on Facebook first, which drives the adoption and usability of both platforms. And that's about it. So, thanks very much for coming with me on this adventure. I don't know what we'll do for an extra half hour of footage, but I should really have 4 hours to deliver this project or any given project. So maybe I'll think of something that we can come back for 4 hours to do, for another half hour to do. If I was able to go for another hour or two, I might try recreating the Steem UI. And putting the Facebook content on the Steem UI using the Steem post that it generates. Just because it says here in this, oh, I don't have it anymore. In this review or this, no, I don't have it anymore. In this guideline for Facebook user photos, that we could use it for stuff like generating an album or printing the photos. Anything like that would be acceptable. So I think that if we just displayed the photos on a UI as part of the process, it would probably work. Unfortunately, I have to build all that and show them how it would work end to end before I'm able to use those features. So I don't really know how you're supposed to demo it without first being able to use it. But that's just an aside. Anyway, thanks very much, guys. I hope you had fun. I hope that I get these Git files uploaded so you can view them and use them, and that you have a wonderful day. Bye now.